Hello, good morning. I'm going to work today on my cleaning and projects from home, and I wanted to show you how is that I do this. So I will put this one on Wednesday, and it's not a specific day. Let me show you. Let's see on this week. This one I have a short one. Where are my other ones? Monday. A short to do, and it's when I'm beginning to notice that I need more space. Then I went a little longer here, and then I went a little bigger here. And yes, these are just draws that I do. Sometimes I am lazy and I put something. So house cleaning, another draw. This is a sticker. Another here. Another one. So you can see how it's going. And sometimes I save projects that I want for another day. So yes, I don't mark everything, but I can remember what I didn't do. Sometimes I don't, but I'll just check my list, and it's easy in that way. So we will do it this way. I made a little draw. I will paint it with just colors, nothing really fancy. I like to, let me put a little more of light. I don't know if it's reflecting this light. Let me open here. More natural light. Ooh, it's so bright right now. Okay, I hope you can see clear. So this is my small box of colors, but I have different kind, and we will do, let's go for pink. Pink will be good. Then I will use my markers to put here house cleaning and do it like this. Or house chores. To do. Oh man, good thing that I see that. You know when your brain is just no paying attention and you keep just going, that is what is going on. Just keep it. Very simple. What I am doing is giving a shadow. Like if you have a light coming there, you know that the shadow comes to that side. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay. And because I use that color, I will go for the same color marker to mark what I'm doing. I usually have like one here, then kind of like here will be the next one, and it's not in the same level. I don't worry about that. And kind of like here, the next one. Let's begin with laundry. I have for this time a lot of towels because the dog, whites because I'm changing sheets, and all the whites will go together. Color, and I have sometimes darks. Sometimes colors and darks are going together because everything is dark color. And I have shower curtain. Okay. Do I forgot to do something the last week? Changed it. For this week, also I need to read papers, and I help myself with my house planner. So we are in May, and this is the third week. Where are you, May? I go to the third week. I don't know if I will put corn and courgette this. So my annuals, yes. I need to do that. Carrots, that's the main thing. And I need to decorate for Memorial Day. That's the most important things that I have. And also I go to see I am in the bathroom cleaning, and today, for this week, I will put Owen. So I have that will be the one that I'm missing. And I think I'm done for that week on everything else. I also want a deep cleaning. Porch. So that is, and on my garden also I want and mulch. This is my Mary's garden, so I want to take care of that. Some other thing that I want to do in my garden is do we need to, maybe we'll need to mow again. I'm not totally sure. I will put anyway, trim and mow grass. Oh yeah, and garden also. And that is the, I call rounds, but it's the entrance where you have the two circles and then comes all the topiaries, and I will try to clean under. Okay. There is another thing that I want to do, that is buy the flowers for there. Okay, I think I have my list done. I'm sure there is a lot of things that will come that I will want to add, and maybe I will move for the next week. But for now, this is the main thing. Things like clean the kitchen, clean the stove, stuff like that I used to put more detail. I'm not worrying so much because I know that I will do it. But this is things that I want to remember. Like in laundry, of course I do that. But when I put whites, towels, color dark, and shower curtains, I know exactly what I'm talking about. So that will be for now, and we will begin to do it. Oh, and of course, I always want to put here to remind me to iron and organize. When I see this, it's eyesore, and I have to do it. So that's how my cleaning will go. And if I have to remember something or do something extra, I will put in my list also if it's for the next week, because in that way I come and check like I did with the other one, but then I remember that I didn't do my shower curtains, and I will do it. Time to move from here to do the things that I need to do, and the first will be part of the laundry. I like to begin everything. If I can finish today, it's better. I will remove the curtains or liners or whatever you want to call these. They're getting so dirty because I have to always wash. He thinks that he's taking a shower, so we'll take that to wash. With this, I will be able to do the cleaning of this window that it was planned, and clean the bathtub also a little better. I need to take also the sheets, and I have my clean ones here. So let's do the bed done, and I need to bring so many things downstairs. Will be no easy. But let's go first with all these white towels, and then this. Let's do that. Taking the towels so I can wash them, and I got clean towels for here, and one more here too that comes here. So with one hand it's not easy, but kind of give you an idea of what is going on. So we have clean towels for the week. For me and for my husband. And I'm sure that I would need to clean all the other ones that this little monster has been, see there, doing. Yeah, my water boy. I also got one of these to refill my hand wash, and I will take advantage that I'm working here and clean really quick. Did you hit your head? Silly dog. Silly dog. Okay, let's clean. To finish the cleaning of these, I will use a little of baking soda. I will put a good quantity. And distilled vinegar, white vinegar. And it's not something that I do often, only when I feel like maybe it's clogging a little. This is a natural way. See the bubbles there? It's hard to see. I will let them just keep going, and then I will make run the water. got this running better. Now we know. Perfect. Okay, to check what I'm doing. So I have my whites going, my darks, and the shower curtains. I changed the sheets. I changed towels. And that's so far. But this is something that will be happening on the week. I don't know how much I will get, but I will just keep going. One thing that I remember for the next week, I want to wash my pillows. So what I can do is just go on my next week, set also my cleaning, and just put that one there. It's nice to have in advance the next week. So I didn't do it this time because I wanted to show how I do. But now that we are here, I got to my monthly. We are on 20 and the next week begins on 25th to 31st. I see that the spots that maybe I can use to set that are Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I think I will put on Tuesday. That will be when I will do. I will just draw something simple and then put my house cleaning. My battery died just when I was almost at the end, but you saw what I did before. So I just finished that, and I will just sit where I begin to mark my planner. I think I will put it here. It's very close to that, but it's just because I don't know if I will need a lot of space. And I will put and also I will put my blanket, because I don't think I will be having time for that. Oh. And I have part of what we'll need. I will just leave marked for whatever else I need to add later. And that's how I keep going, not only with my projects for today, but also for this week, but also for the next week. So I go in advance, and I know that when I am here writing what I need extra in the next week, I will just go and put this one also, my house planning, for another week. Well, I think this is getting a little long, and if I am trying to get many videos in a week, we don't want to go with very long videos. So just viewing my of what I film on my cleaning, and I will see you also on my next video. Have a good day.